Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. I looked out through the window and it was snowing a little today. My daughter wanted to help me in the kitchen, so here we go. Here are our ingredients. We are going to make some fried chicken today. Soy sauce, turmeric, black pepper, chili powder, garam masala, garlic salt. This is a great way for kids to learn about the new ingredients. This enhances their vocabulary. Squeeze some lemon in. I let my daughter even squeeze some lemons. This is the best way to enhance her fine motor skills. We both finally mixed it all up. This is the perfect way to increase the language development and also enhance fine motor skills. By seeing all these ingredients, kids learn the names of different various ingredients, and also by mixing and rolling the dough and doing things like this helps with their fine motor strength and control. This is a good way to boost up their confidence. When I let them do these things, they feel very happy about it. I let my daughter roll one roshi and then she helped me in flipping the roshi. She wanted to learn how to put butter on the pan. So I gave her the directions of how to do it, which will help her enhance her receptive language skills. These are all skills that are needed to develop academic skills such as writing, cutting, and coloring. So it's a win-win. After finishing the roshi, we moved on to breading the chicken. She wanted to do this without gloves, so I let her wash her hands, gave her the instructions of how to do it, showed her one, and then she followed me and she did pretty good. So we both did it finally. I preheated the air fryer and then spread some oil in the air fryer. Also on the chicken. Put the chicken in the air fryer and then again spread some more oil on it. The chicken came up really good. It was crispy and tasty. My whole family loved it. Now comes my best part about the video. It's my kids and my mother-in-law reviewing the food.
Assalamu alaikum, and today we will be having my mama's fried chicken with curry sauce and some roshi, otherwise known as bread, kind of, and some iced tea. This is what it looks like. Bismillah. This tastes really good. We're now going to try this roshi with this curry powder, curry sauce. It also is really good. I rate this nice meal a 10 out of 10. Nice crispiness too. I definitely recommend this.
I love this part where my kids are reviewing my food.
Hey, got iced tea, fried chicken. That tastes good. It's like this lemon sweet. Let's try this. There's like this crispy texture in this it's good to taste. Nice and crispy if you put it in the air fryer. But it tastes good. 10 out of 10. No, 1,000. Good chicken. I recommend this like I said last time.
Mom also enjoyed the food. Even though my American family likes to dip roshi in curry and eat, I like to mix it all and eat like this. Alhamdulillah, it was a good meal. We all enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you all like it.